made into little chicks.
My gosh.
The nose is a little orange pepper, but you can do it with carrot, and little black eyes are olives.
Let me ask you this, you guys. True or false? Chickens lay eggs.
You're kidding.
No. Do chickens lay eggs?
Yes, true.
Female hens do.
Oh, darn it.
How about
What's cool is
royal
that
chickies about to go down?
yesterday I ate the chocolate-covered prunes,
That
and
was
today the
that was
boiled eggs,
impressive.
and now I'm catching a flight to LA.
I feel sorry for the people on that plane.
Me too.
And then,
Real quick.
while I love interactive stuff at a party, this is something all the guests can participate in and make something for the host. It's a wedding. It's great. You put art out. You pick the colors that the
And then
host will
everybody
have,
do it.
and then they do an ad to it and make a painting for the host.
It's a beautiful book. Really, really. Tons and tons of ideas in it. All the best to the family. God bless you. Happy Easter. Happy Passover. Up next, do you really want to go out in that? Dressing tips and tricks that'll make you look thinner. We promise. Right after this.
To prevent toilet rings from building up, you'd have to clean your toilet every time you flush. That's over 3,600 times a year. Who would do that? It's Scrubbing Bubbles Toilet Cleaning Gel. Just stamp it in. Its formula is flush activated to prevent buildup of fine scale and hard water that cause toilet rings. And it keeps working flush after flush. Scrubbing Bubbles Toilet Cleaning Gel. The freshest way to keep a toilet clean. Flush after flush.
SC Johnson, a family company.
With Expedia Rewards, I now earn points however I travel. Any hotel,
Here's your hot towel, sir.
and any airline too. Rewards any way I travel. Except naked.
What a shame.
Expedia.